Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 14, food, and today I will deliver its sixth lecture. And this lecture includes factor for healthy living. So हम एक healthy lifestyle के बारे में discussion कर रहे हैं, which needs balanced diet, and there are some other factors also involved for a healthy lifestyle. So what are those factors? Before that, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So listen to the question very carefully and then answer it. So fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, and meat. So quickly tell me, what is a balanced diet? When you include every food from the food groups and you take them in a balanced way, this is a balanced diet. So what would happen if you do not take all nutrients? We can become deficient in that nutrient, some nutrients, or we can get ill. So my dear students, now it's time for an activity. Hygiene, taking bath, sleeping, exercising. So what are your habits to live healthy? So healthy रहने के लिए सबसे पहले साफ सुथरा रहें, take proper sleep, exercise, and stay away from mobile and TV, क्योंकि स्क्रीन टाइम ज़्यादा होने से आपकी हेल्थ जो है वो ख़राब होती है, आपकी आईज भी ख़राब होती हैं. Okay, do you keep yourself clean? We must all keep ourselves clean because cleanliness is half of faith. सफाई निस्फ़ ईमान है. So my dear students, now let's quickly have a look what we will cover today. By the end of today's lecture, all the students will be able to recognize that healthy living requires eating a balanced diet. We have already done this, and keeping clean, sleeping well, and exercising regularly. So identify the ways to get sufficient exercise to stay healthy. So my dear students, आज हम देखेंगे कि healthy lifestyle के लिए कौन कौन सी चीज़ें important हैं और हम उन factors को पढ़ेंगे. And we will also have a look कि हमें sufficient exercise करनी चाहिए ताकि हम healthy रह सकें. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. Indeed, Allah loves those who are constantly repentant and loves those who purify themselves. So my dear students, Allah Ta'ala साफ सुथरे रहने वालों को और repent करने वालों को, माफ़ी मांगने वालों को पसंद फरमाते हैं. So my dear students, now is the time for pre-reading questions. Do you sleep on time and have proper sleep? Early to bed, early to wise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. अगर आप जल्दी सोएंगे और सुबह जल्दी उठेंगे तो आप हमेशा सेहतमंद रहेंगे और होशियार भी रहेंगे. So do you exercise daily? If I talk about myself, I exercise twice or thrice a week. यानी कि हफ्ते में 2 से 3 दफ़ा मैं एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ, which is extremely healthy. आपको कम से कम इतना एक्सरसाइज ज़रूर करना चाहिए. And children of your age, आपकी उम्र के जो बच्चे हैं उनको तो डेली जो है वो खेलना कूदना चाहिए, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए to keep themselves healthy. So my dear students, now is the time for reading. I request you all to please open page number 135 in your GK3 books. I hope everybody has opened the page, so let's start the reading. Factors for healthy living. Healthy living requires so many things from us. If we do not take good care of ourselves, we will become ill. These things are eating a balanced diet, keeping clean, sleeping well, and exercising regularly. So we have already covered eating a balanced diet. Today we will start with cleanliness. So cleanliness is next to godliness. A clean body is away from germs and thus from diseases. Cleanliness completes by keeping the body as well as the environment clean. So my dear students, सफाई बहुत ज़रूरी है और सफाई जो है वो हमें अल्लाह ताला से करीब करती है. इसके अलावा अगर आप सफाई सुथराई रखेंगे अपनी भी और अपने इर्द गिर्द की भी, तो इसी तरीके से आप जर्म्स से और डिजीज़ से बच सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज स्लीपिंग वेल. सोना आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अगर आप एक्टिव रहना चाहते हैं तो आपका रेस्ट और आपकी जो नींद है वो पूरी होनी चाहिए. Proper sleep makes our body strong and helps us fight against infections. During deep sleep, our body parts are at rest and our mind becomes relaxed too. When we get up after deep sleep, we feel fresh and can work more effectively. So my dear students, जब हम अच्छी नींद, गहरी नींद, डीप स्लीप का मतलब है जब आप गहरी और तवातर से नींद लेते हैं, यानी कि एक तरीके से ये नहीं कि आप 2 घंटे सो गए फिर उठ गए फिर 2 घंटे सो गए बीच में मोबाइल यूज़ करें. नो, आपको क्या करना है, आपको 6 to 8 आवर्स की नींद पूरी करनी है। इस तरीके से आप जब सोते हैं तो आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स जो है वो रिलैक्स करते हैं, आपका माइंड जो है वो रिलैक्स करता है, एंड देन व्हेन यू गेट अप यू कैन वर्क मोर इफेक्टिवली एंड एफिशिएंटली। सो द प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ स्लीप इज फ्रॉम 6 to 8 आवर्स इन अ डे, यानी कि एक दिन में आपको कम से कम 6 से 8 घंटे जरूर सोना चाहिए। So my dear students, on page number 135, number 4 is exercising regularly, which is very important. To keep oneself healthy, food is one thing and proper exercise is another. Physical exercise provides nutrients from the food to the body, thus it keeps the body, bones and mind strong. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जब आपको जैसे आपके लिए अच्छी खुराक बहुत ज़रूरी है, बैलेंस डाइट बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसी तरह आपके लिए फिजिकल एक्टिविटी या प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, जो फूड आप इनटेक करते हैं, उससे इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हैं वो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर इंस्टेंटली ब्रेक डाउन होते हैं और इस तरीके से आप हेल्दी और एक्टिव रहते हैं। There are many ways to take exercise. Walking is the best of them. Besides cycling, swimming, jogging are some of other efficient ways of exercise. If you cannot perform any of these, go for a flexibility workout as shown in the given pictures. You can choose any exercise that may keep body in movement. So my dear students, exercise proper होनी चाहिए। सबसे बेहतरीन exercise है walk. अगर आप if you walk for 15 to half an hour, your body has a lot of physical activity which is enough. इसके अलावा swimming, cycling, jogging, these are also very good exercises. अगर आप इनमें से कोई भी perform नहीं कर सकते, so you must take flexibility exercises. Stretching आपको करनी चाहिए, जैसे कि pictures में दिखाया गया है। आपकी book में pictures हैं in which you can see the kids are performing flexibility exercises. So keep yourself clean, bath, brush and hand wash to keep yourself clean and healthy, stay away from diseases. Next is keep your environment clean to stay away from diseases and germs. And you must take 6 to 8 hours sleep, deep sleep to work more effectively and efficiently. Take exercise, cycling, jogging, walking, swimming, running, stretching to keep yourself healthy and active. So my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. Quickly answer these questions. Is it good for health to sleep for a longer time in the morning? क्या आपको सुबह देर तक सोते रहना चाहिए 12-1 बजे तक? Of course not. This is extremely bad for your health. Early to bed, early to rise, यानी कि रात को जल्दी सोएं और सुबह सवेरे जल्दी जागे, क्योंकि हमारे नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने भी वो भी सुबह जल्दी उठते थे, ये सुन्नत है, और फजर की नमाज भी पढ़ते थे। सो व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ डूइंग फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज? फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करने का पर्पस क्या है? बिकॉज इट विल प्रोवाइड प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम आवर डाइट व्हिच वी टुक टू आवर बॉडी, यानी कि जो आप खाना खाते हैं उस खाने के बाद जब आप एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपकी बॉडी के अंदर गए हैं वो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर जल्दी से ब्रेक डाउन हो जाते हैं और वो आपको इफेक्ट जल्दी से करते हैं बेहतर से जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। सो कैन यू सजेस्ट एनी अदर एक्सरसाइज टू कीप द बॉडी एक्टिव? क्या आप कोई और एक्सरसाइजेज जो आपकी बुक में दी गई हैं इसके अलावा आप कोई एक्सरसाइज बता सकते हैं जिससे आप अपनी बॉडी को एक्टिव रख सकें? Running, jumping, skipping, rope skipping, these all are extremely good exercises to keep yourself healthy. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So, my dear students, here is an activity sheet. Write down your name and your roll number. Then choose the appropriate option. Physical exercise is good for our health because it helps our body to stay healthy, it prevents diseases, it helps us to be hungry so we eat more. It helps our body to stay healthy. We should eat only the food we like, a variety of food, especially fruit, vegetables and whole grains, a variety of food, especially proteins, fats and sugars. We must eat fruits, vegetables and whole grains and carbohydrates because these are the largest group in our plate जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा हमें लेना चाहिए. Do you need to have a shower every day? No, only one. If I do exercise, I am very small, I do not need it. Yes, every day. Yes, you need to take bath every day. How many times is it necessary to brush your teeth? At least 2 times a week. If I eat sweets or sugary things before going to bed. At least 2 times a day, in the morning and before going to bed. How many hours of sleep do you need? More than 12 hours, at least 9 hours, at least 7 hours. It is at least 7 hours. It is at least 7 hours. Okay? Okay, यानी कि कम से कम आपको 7 घंटे सोना चाहिए. It is necessary to wash your hands with soap once a day if they are dirty, frequently, especially after going to toilet. Frequently, especially after going to toilet. Okay, enlist the factors of healthy living, balanced diet, deep sleep, then comes exercise, physical exercise. These all are very important for healthy living. Enlist the habits you do to live healthy life. अब आप इनमें से कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज या अपने आप को हेल्दी रखने के लिए काम करते हैं? मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ दैट. ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पॉज द वीडियो एंड कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट. I hope everybody has finished it. Now we will move forward towards page number 139, question number 5 in writing practice. Why is proper sleep and rest essential for healthy life? So quickly tell me कि essential life के लिए, आपकी healthy life के लिए sleep जो है वो क्यों ज़रूरी है? Because when we take deep sleep, our organs and different body parts relax and rest, and our brain also takes rest, and when we get up, we work more efficiently and effectively. So you will do this question in your notebooks for homework. So this is your classwork, sorry. So my dear students, now quickly note down your homework. Solve the passage given in reading page number 137 and 38. So here's a reading passage. Read it and then answer the questions. Ali is 10 years old boy. He is a hockey player in his school hockey team. He has to practice hockey and drill exercise 1 to 5 hours daily in the morning. Ali does not like to have breakfast. The only thing he wants to have for breakfast are Coke, chocolate and chicken sandwich. Most of the time he likes to eat pizza and chips. Should Ali eat fast food that often? Of course not. Then how can his present eating habits affect his body in the long time? So when you consume too much sugar and fat, this will make you fat. आपको ये obese कर देता है, मोटा कर देता है, and this is not healthy for longer time. And is Ali's choice of food correct? No way. Then what should he do instead? He must take food from all the food groups, from dry fruits, carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables, meat and grains to keep himself healthy. Design a balanced diet plan for Ali to help him stay healthy if you like Ali's not having a balanced diet. So अगर आपको लगता है कि अली की डाइट जो है वो बैलेंस्ड नहीं है, तो आप उसके लिए एक बैलेंस्ड डाइट बनाएं ताकि वो हेल्दी रह सके. So he must take carbohydrates, proteins, fruits and vegetables and dairy products more often to grow and work properly. So my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. For wrap up, today we have learned that healthy living requires so many things like keep clean yourself and your environment, take a deep and proper sleep, do physical exercise to take nutrients from food. So my dear students, I hope you will follow all these important points to keep yourself healthy. Keep yourself healthy and thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.